place where laughter never ends, where Daddy Gino and Mommy Rumi start each morning with love. 3 little hearts running wild, that's our world. Oh, welcome home where dreams begin. Love is flowing deep within. Every smile and every song makes this family strong. Morning sunshine lights the hall. Daddy Gino's laughter fills it all. Mommy Rumi hums a tune. The kids are dancing in the room. Tiny footsteps on the floor echo love forevermore. If clouds may cover up the sky, our hearts will never say goodbye. Oh, family, come sing along. Daddy Gino, Mommy Rumi, where we all belong. 3 little kids with hearts so true. Love's the light that guides us through. Hand in hand, we'll never part. Family's the home inside our hearts. The children laugh and dance some more. Mom paints flowers bright and white. Dad plays guitar by her side. The sound of joy fills up the air. Every heart beats love to share. Even when the night draws near, our love will keep the stars so clear. Oh, family, sing loud and free. Mommy Rumi, Daddy Gino, and we, the sweetest song that love can write, shines like stars in every night. Hold me close, don't let it fade. This is the love our hearts have made. Time will fly, the kids will grow, but love will stay. It's all we know. Every step, each memory lived forever in our melody. One day they'll chase their dreams afar, but love will follow where they are. Through the miles, through every tone, our laughter calls them home. Even when the seasons change, our hearts remain the same. This little house, this sacred space, forever keeps our warm embrace. Oh, family, come sing out loud. Daddy Gino, Mommy Rumi, and 3 kids proud. Through every storm, through every day, love will light our way. Oh, every laugh, each gentle start builds the home inside our hearts. Oh, family, you're my sweetest song. You've been my heart all along. La la la, the nights are kind. Peace and joy are what we find. Under one roof, love will be forever. We're family. And when the lights go out, we'll still be shining. Because home is outdoors. It's us. Morning light through curtains white. Daddy mystery smiling by her side. Mommy Zoe brews her tea. Little one giggling endlessly. Footsteps running through the hall. Tiny hands that reach for all. Even if the sky turns gray, love will paint our brighter day. Oh, this is home where hearts belong, where laughter grows and we stay strong. Mystery Zoe and our little stars shine in love wherever we are. Every hug, each sweet embrace turns this house to our safe place. This is home where dreams begin, where kindness grows deep within. Mystery laughs, so he smiles. Their child runs free for miles. Every giggle, every kiss builds a world of endless bliss. Years will come and years will go, but love is all we'll ever know. Little star will grow and roam, but our hearts will call them home. Through every storm, through every year, this love remains so crystal clear. No matter where the road will bend, our story never ends. Home is more than walls of stone. It's the hearts that beat as one. Oh, this is home, our melody, mysteries owing you with me. Under one sky, forever near. Every word we'll hear, hand in hand, come what may. Love will light our way. When the stars
Goodbye.
shine high above. Under the night sky, that's where found me. Rumi walks through silver light, she waits at the edge of night. One small smile, the world turns to. Every heartbeat calls to you. Every word feels soft and true. Every step I fall for you. Was it fate or just the rain? Either way, I can't explain. When I found you, the rain turned blue. Every shadow faded too. Your hand in mine, the world feels right. We found love beneath the night. Morning comes, sun feels near, but your voice is all I hear. Two hearts glow, one melody. That's the sound of you and me. Even if the stars fall down, you know I still love you all around. Together, every breath, every sigh keeps our hearts alive. When I found you, the world stood still. Every dream feels real, so real. Me and you, hearts alive. Love began
would want